Hi, I just wanted to release a quick video update. I've been pretty inactive this last month and a half, 2 months since the Flynn Rider project. That's just because I've been busy with a whole bunch of stuff. But I finally have time now and I'm ready to get back into it and show you what I have planned for this year. My plan for 2020 is to have 2 to 3 big projects, including BB-8, and 8 to 10 smaller projects when I need a break from either this, I'm waiting for parts or something. I want to make this entire drivetrain out of metal, just because I did the exact same thing with the ball, and I'm really happy with how this turned out compared to the plastic version. And if I'm going to be doing this, and after all this time, I might as well do it right. It's a project that I've been trying to do for years, and I finally am just going to do it, go for it, and try to get this thing rolling, all of the pun intended. For smaller projects, I really need to find a way to make storage better in this room. Right now my closet's full, I have plenty of stuff just underneath this bench. I'm gonna need long-term storage in here if I'm gonna do projects all year. So one of the main reasons I started this channel was to inspire you viewers to be able to make and do your own projects. Making is just a giant catch-all for pretty much doing anything, and that's the best part about it, is anyone can do that. So if you have any examples of what you guys have been doing, I'd love to see them. Put them in the comments or tag me on Instagram. Here's to a good Nate the Maker 2020, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Woohoo!